In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a business email address to System.io. Click on emails. Instead of add email address, it says click here to confirm your email address. Click on it, then type the email address here. We'll save it. It's pending right now. I need to go into my mailbox, and by default, System.io will send you an email to verify. I'll go back. See? It's right in here. Click on it and it says you need to confirm this email address to use it as sender email address in System.io. To verify your email address, click here. Click on it and click confirm. Successfully confirmed. You can use your sender email address. Return to your mailing settings, and as you can tell, it's verified. This is simple. You can tell it didn't take me long to get it verified, and I know a lot of people forget to do this. Next, we need to authenticate the domain name inside System.io. It's gonna look secure within System.io. It's like you are proving to System.io that this domain name is legit. My previous domain name, I have verified it. Click here to authenticate your domain and display its information in your email header, because if you don't authenticate it, you cannot use it for email marketing campaigns. That's within System.io. Click on it and domain name tom.com. You don't need to enter the www. Save. Then first I'm gonna copy this before the .com. Don't copy the dot. Highlight, Ctrl+C to copy. Locate the domain name again and click on manage advanced DNS. Scroll down, add new record. We need to add CNAME record. That's what it is. These are all CNAME records. You're gonna copy this, Ctrl+C to copy. Click on host, drop it, go back here and copy everything for the value. Add another record, CNAME. You can click on the checkbox when you are done in case you don't forget. Let's go back, copy everything before your domain name, Ctrl+C, the host, and go back, copy everything right here, go back, click on here and check. We need to add another one, CNAME record, go back, copy everything before your domain name, go back, paste it, go back, copy the key, Ctrl+C, go back, paste it and check it. Everything is done. I'll show you how to add the DMARC to prevent your emails and your domain name from spoofing and phishing and getting your emails into spam folders. I'll add DMARC. Scroll down. This time around it's gonna be TST record, and I'll go back. See right here, this is my Gmail. That's what I use to sign up. I've switched it. Once it's switched, copy the name, Ctrl+C, go back to the host, drop it, and copy the DMARC value, then go back and paste it. Click here and type reject. That means any email coming from a different or weird domain name with an email address that is not registered in my system will not go through. Everything is saved. I'll go back, and when you close the box, you can tell it's pending. That is from System.io to Namecheap or your domain host. I'll show you something. When you Google System.io DMARC and you scroll down, see this. Once you have created the DMARC record, you can verify that it has been added correctly by visiting the website. Click on it, then type the domain name. I'll go back, blogstorm.com, then DMARC lookup. First of all, it says this is DMARC. Gmail and Yahoo are requiring DMARC. Get your DMARC set up with delivery center. Once you see green checkups, we are good to go. I'll go back to system. This will normally take about half an hour to get verified. We have to be patient. I'll come back and I'll refresh, let you know. As you can tell, it's verified. If you like this video, don't forget to check the link in the description box. Click on it and buy me a coffee, and I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.